Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on the dark mode on your Rednote app using your iPhone. So if you want to enable the dark mode on the Rednote app, then let me show you how to do this. So before you begin, you want to first go to your app store. You want to search for the Rednote app. Here, you want to make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Now, once that's updated, let's go ahead and open the app. Now in the app, you want to go ahead and tap on the three lines here at the top left. Next, you want to go ahead and tap on Settings, the bottom right. Now from here, you want to go ahead and tap on General Settings. Now from here, where it says Display, find Dark Mode. Go ahead and enable the setting. And now Dark Mode has been enabled. Down below here, you can use the device settings, so it will work according to your phone. So during the day, it'll be light mode. During the night, it'll be dark mode. However, if you want dark mode always, go ahead and enable that setting. So there you go guys, that is how to turn on dark mode on the Rednote app using your iPhone. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.